All right, my friends, it's Tuesday, April 28th, and today we're going to do our calendar and our number of the day for the number 13. Grab your yellow duotang and open up your April calendar. We're into our last week of April. You might have some coloring left to do. After 27, we want the number 28. Please make sure your 8 circles join together and the total size is the same size as your 2. So you want your 8s to be nice and neat. We have 29 and 30 before we come to our read and play day on May 1st. I'm going to write May right here so I don't forget. Go ahead and find number 28 on your umbrella and color it in. It should be mostly colored. Might be hard to see some of the numbers hidden in here. Might be hard to see some of the numbers hidden in there. But see if you can find 28, my friends. The forecast yesterday said it was going to be partly cloudy and sunny, and I picked a sunny day. And then later on in the afternoon it rained. So if you were doing your calendar later in the afternoon, you might have had a rainy day. Today the forecast says it's going to be mostly sunny in the morning and cloud over in the evening. So I'm going to give myself one more sunny day, and that means I'm going to cross because I've got 4 nice tall tally marks close together and 1 cross. It means I have 5 more in sunny, so altogether I should have 10 in sunny. Now some of those sunnies might have been partly sunny days, so I'm going to color one more sunny bar. And we'll see that I have 8 sunny and 5 partly sunny days, and 8 plus 5 is 12. If I'm matching up with my tally marks, I should be able to add all my sunny and cloudy days and get 13 plus 1 more at 14. So I should only have 5, 10, 15, 16 days. Maybe one of my cloudy days was raining. We're going to double check that tomorrow. Come along to number of the day, and I grabbed a number line for today so that I can make some equations using my number line. My number is 13, and my date is Tuesday, April 28th. Is 13 even or odd? I can tell on my number line if 13 is even or odd because before is a 2 and after is a 2, and I know those are both even numbers, so the one with the 3 at the end must be odd. If I was to skip count, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, I skip right over 13, which means it's an odd number. 1 more than 13 is 14. And 1 less than 13 is 12, skipping forwards and backwards on my number line. I'm going to do 2 addition equations, and I'm going to do 1 subtraction equation, and they have to all equal the number 13. So if I want to equal 13, I need to decide what do I want to add. So I'm just going to pick a random number. Oh, I landed on 6. So I'm going to say 6 plus how many jumps to get to 13? 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equals 13. I can do that again with my next addition question to 13 if I just go, wah, close my eyes and pick a number, 8. Starting at 8, how many jumps to get to 13? So 8 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 13. I can do the same thing backwards, my friends, to get a subtraction question. Let's say I'm at 13 and I want to subtract 10. Then I would say 13 minus 10 equals how many jumps backwards? So 1, 2, 3. 13 minus 3 equals 10, or 13 minus 10 equals 3. You can pick any number on the line. Let's say I picked 6. 13 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 13 minus 7 equals 6, or 13 minus 6 equals 7. I'm going to pick the one with 10 because I don't have 10 in my numbers yet. So 13, minus 10 equals 6. Minus 3 equals 10. Doesn't give me an answer that equals to 13. I did that wrong. If I want to get to 13 as my answer, I need to pick a number higher. So if I took 18 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then I would get 13. So I'm just going to write an extra question right here. 18 minus 13. I can't do this right today. And minus 5. My brain doesn't want to work. 18 minus 5 equals 13. Can you see my question? Remember, this question is true, but it doesn't equal 13. It has 13 in it. So we want to equal 13, so this question is a better question for you. For tally marks for 13, we're going to make 10 first, because we know 13 is more than 10, and 3 extra to show 13. For 10 frames, we're going to fill a whole 10, because we know 13 is more than 10. And then there's 1, 2, 3 more to fill up our 10 frame. We know 13 has 1 10. It has 3 left over. Here's 1 10 and 3 left over. And there are no 100s. Have a wonderful day, my friends, with your calendar and your number of the day. Try to make sure your questions all answer 13, even if you put one that's true. Have a wonderful day.